Hi everyone, here's Carl from Gelgoog. Today we are at Gelgoog's demonstration biscuit factory in Yangjiang, Guangdong. This is a 5,000 square meters factory, including Biscuit R&D laboratory, exhibition hall, and production testing workshop all in one. Let's take a closer look and explore the secret behind Gelgoog's leading expertise in biscuit production. And now we are in our product showroom. Here you can see different kinds of biscuits produced by our equipment, such as hard, soft, sandwich, and cookies. And now we are still developing for some new products, such as popular Lucky Stick biscuit and some healthy focused, low-fat, low-sugar formulation. For now, Gelgoog has developed over 100 mature recipes of the biscuit. We also provide with our clients such as a whole process tray testing and a free receipt optimizations and also the pyramid adjustment service. We also have created a global biscuit process database, especially for some healthy products such as low sugar, high fiber, and nut oil products. We offer a comprehensive receipt and process support to help our clients stay ahead of the consumer trends and also the quickly seize market opportunities. And now, welcome to the heart of the biscuit factory. Here you can see our multi-biscuit production line. One line can handle hard, soft, sandwich biscuit and also the cookies. It can easily to save the time by 70%. The models of feeding, foaming, spreading, and baking can be flexible combined. One line can help you all. Our solutions cover every process, from dough preparation to packing. Each model is designed for efficiency, precision, and consistency. Our highlights include precision rotary cutter, process temperature control baking tunnel, effective oil sparing system, and 3D sandwiching technology, ensuring consistent quality and flexible production of device biscuit types. Gelgoog Biscuit Factory not only showcase our advanced capabilities of our equipment and process, but also offer a small batch trial production for global clients. Whatever is an idea for new products or customer solutions, Gelgoog can provide efficient and flexible biscuit production solution. Smart manufacturing, infinity possibility. Gelgoog to make food production simpler and safer.